Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one is a Designo Cardinal Red Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 17-inch split 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MBTEX interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of clean floor mats. Coming alongside, this one comes with the Premium 3 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a dark linden wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, illuminated door sills. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Included in the Premium 3 package is navigation with voice command, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This C300 4MATIC has 28,759 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.